Hello, my dear students. How are you doing? This is lesson 4, module 5. So you will need to open your students' books, page number 53. The title of our lesson is Faster, Higher, Stronger. The first exercise will be listening. So you're going to listen to some sentences, and while listening, you're going to hear the following words. Now, these words are Olympic Games, athletics, fencing, gymnastic, medal, chariot racing. Now open your book and take your pen, hold it with your hand or with your fingers, and write the words you're going to hear. I'm going to read the following sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. 1. Only the best athletes from around the world go to the Olympic Games. 2. There are lots of great runners at my athletics club. 3. When I watch fencing, I imagine what sword fighting was like hundreds of years ago. 4. I wouldn't be good at gymnastics because I cannot stretch my arms and legs. 5. Sally won a silver medal after coming second in the race. 6. Chariot racing looks like fun, but aren't you afraid of being pulled along in a small vehicle by horses? Now go back again to your student's book and let's have a look at exercise number 1. Now we have words here, and here we have some of their meanings. So let's read the sentences with the definition and try to guess which word is it. So the first one is a modern sport or a modern sports event traditionally held every 4 years in different places. So which one is it? Very good. That would be the Olympic Games. So this is the first one. So what about the second one? A round flat piece of metal given to someone who won a competition. Which one of the words is it? Very good. It is medal. So this is number 2. What about the third definition? The type of sport that includes running, race, jumping, throwing, etc. Which one is it? Very good. It is, eraser, please. So this one, it is the word athletics. So this is number 3. Now let's have a look at the rest of the words and their meanings. So as you remember, this is the Olympic Games, and it is modern sports event traditionally held every 4 years in different places. What is this? This is a medal. It is a round flat piece of metal given to someone who won a competition. Have you ever won a medal? Okay, let's move now to the next one. This is the word athletics. Athletics. So it is the kind of sport that includes a race, jumping, throwing, etc. So again, it is athletics. Look at the picture. What is this sport? It is fencing. Fencing. So it is a game in which opponents fight with a long, thin sword, as you can see. They are fighting with swords. So again, it is fencing. What can you see in the pictures? Sorry. Here. In this picture, and this picture. What are the students doing or practicing or playing? They are playing gymnastics. So gymnastics is a set of exercises that test physical strength and skill. Again, it is gymnastics. What about this picture? What are these? These are horses. And it is a race. What do we call that kind of race? It is chariot racing. So it is an ancient sport in which two-wheeled vehicles pulled by horses and would race around a road. So let's read it again. An ancient sport in which two-wheeled vehicles pulled by horses would race around a road. So again, what is it? It is chariot racing. Now we are going to move to our activity book. Page number 41, exercise number 4. It's a puzzle. So we're going to see the picture of the sport and write it beside the numbers here. So number 1, what is picture number 1? Do you remember? We took it earlier in module 5. So it is hockey. Sorry. Eraser, please. So this is, again, hockey. Yellow? Okay, so hockey. Number 2. What is number 2? Very good. It is fencing. What about number 3? This is volleyball. It is, again, volleyball. What about number 4? What sport is it? This is table tennis. So it's again table tennis. Number 5, this is gymnastics. And what about the last one? What sport is it? It is ice diving. Ice diving. So what is the word or the sentence here in the sorry, in the crossword puzzle. What's the sentence we're trying to find out? Look at it, it's here. Let's mark it with a red color. So let's try to write it down together. So, a little bit more. No, thank you. No, would you kindly just adjust the screen? Now, that's fine. No. Help me again, adjusting the screen. So, the sentence is, he can't and the last word is swim. He can't swim. So that is the last exercise in our lesson today. We'll see you in lesson 5. Goodbye.